Hello students, welcome to Shara's classes. Today we'll be solving some IIT JAM chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. This is the multiple select question. So we have question number 32 in hand. In a saturated caramel electrode, the saturation is with respect to, and we have four options given to us, and among these four, any or more can be the correct option or options. So we know that the saturated caramel electrode or the SCE is a reference electrode based on reaction between mercury as an element and mercury 1 chloride. And the aqueous phase in contact with mercury and mercury element and mercury 1 chloride is a saturated solution of potassium chloride in water. So basically potassium chloride is KCl and mercury 1 chloride is Ag2Cl2, because here mercury is in one state. So the answer will be option number B and option number A. So our answer is A and B. Thank you.